Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your buddy Pete on the old Goldwing in it. 2024 is about to come to a close, and 2025 brings opportunity that nobody knows. Wow, that's a heck of an intro. I'll never be able to do that again. Anyway, so 2024 is over. I have not produced a lot of content this year, except when I went to Kentucky and a couple other videos that you may have may not watched. My highest watched video is a bike that I don't own anymore, which is the Pan America. Go figure. So, I have, what am I talking about? Oh yeah. As my friend Bob would say, focus, Pete, focus. So anywho, I have, right. 2024, what happened? Well, 2024, I went from having 3 motorcycles to 1 motorcycle. So I sold my BMW R1200R. I sold the CRF 300 Rally. If you're not familiar with that bike, that is the Itchy Boots bike. If you've never watched her, then you probably should. God, what all that noise and no speed. Anyway, I think he wants to race, but he's in a one-man race. Anywho, gosh, that guy made me lose my train of thought, which is not difficult. Anyway, 2024, so I sold 2 bikes, and I sold the Bush Tech trailer as well. I forgot about that until I was looking through some pictures, like, oof. So, I had some questions in a video I did about if I was going to quit or not. No, I'm not quitting motorcycling. I'm not quitting YouTube or anything like that. It's just more of us just kind of taking a step back from motorcycling. Just other things are happening, and the bikes. The reason I got rid of the R1200R is because I'm an idiot. Honestly, that bike was fun and it didn't cost me anything. It was getting old, and it was starting to show some age. I mean, it was an 07, so if you have an older bike, the seals start to go. So I was starting to have to put some money into it for maintenance, other than just routine maintenance, but nothing staggering, nothing I couldn't do myself. But I was like, it's time for you to go. And then my wife's not traveling with me much anymore, so I let this guy pass. So I decided to get rid of the trailer as well. And then the 300 Rally, if I live someplace like near my friend Patrick, up in North Carolina, or Anonymous Biker USA lives up in North Georgia, if I lived up there, I'd never gotten rid of it, because up there it's just better riding, better conditions for off-road riding. Down here in Florida, especially where I live, it's the sandbox. I mean, that's literally what it is. We are a huge sandbox, and I was just getting really tired of falling down all the time. And it's not that I'm a bad rider on sand. It's just, what in the wild world of sports is going on here? A lot of traffic on this road. It's a very picturesque road, so I can see why. Anyway, so I just was tired of getting plunked all the time, and so I got rid of it. Maybe someday in the future I'll go back to another bike, like that, another dual sport type of situation, but until I move to someplace that has better riding, probably not. So I replaced that with the Jeep Gladiator, which is a lot of fun for travel in the forest and stuff like that. And let's see, 2024, let's see, I went to Kentucky, met up with my friends. That was a good trip. Had a good time with everybody. Maybe, hopefully get to do that again someday. It's fun. My buddy Lee sold all his bikes, so that's kind of a bummer, but he bought a new one, but now he's got the bug again to get back to touring, so hopefully he will get one soon. I bet you it's awesome to live back there. Anyway, where was I? Kentucky, then that, and then that was really about the only. I went over to Daytona for Bike Week in March, and met up with Boots and Jeans and Riding and Wrenching. If you don't know Q, a bunch of other people, but really it was cool. Really meet Rich and Cake and Q. So that was really fun to get to actually put names to numbers, you know. Or numbers, names to numbers, faces to names. So that was a fun time in 2024. I had a lot of good things happening in 2024. Can't deny that. And then, yeah. So, and that was about it, really, for 2024. I mean, I hope your 2024 was nice. But 2025, I've only got one tentative plan on the bike right now. If Lee gets another bike, a touring bike, then there'll probably be another trip in store for that. Because he misses the brocations, you know, to be able to get away, just me and him, and just literally ride for 7 to 10 days, going one direction and then going a different direction, then coming back towards this direction. I mean, you know, if you've watched my older videos for Alaska, you know that when he and I ride together, we lay down some serious miles. You know, to us, it's like just getting someplace, seeing it, go, okay, cool, keep going, you know. So anyway, hopefully that'll happen. But the only other big thing, hopefully I will be going to meet, I'm hoping that I get to see Paul and Elaine, the Harley Road Show. I'm going to Australia next year, and I'm really hoping that I get to see them. We don't have any like plans that are just hammered down in stone yet. We're just kind of tentatively right now, which I should get off my butt because I think we're leaving in like 8 weeks. Yeah. Oh my gosh, less than 8 weeks, 7 weeks. I really got to get off my butt and start planning this because I think I'm going to throw some darts at a map and go, okay, there we're going. That's really it for 2025, but I just really hope and I want to appreciate or say a thanks to everybody who watches my content, that has subscribed over the last year, that has more importantly watched my videos over the last year, because that's really what matters, is that you tune back in and watch my stuff, because that's how I make my hundreds and hundreds of cents every year. Yes, I said cents, but anyway, that's a different story in a different video. But I just want to say, God bless everybody. I hope your 2025 is fantastic. You have a great year on motorcycling, your family as well, and all that good stuff. Sending good vibes your way for 2025. This is Pete's Moto Adventure signing off. We'll see you next year. Bye.